Hi, welcome to today's class. This is part 5 of the fabric embroidery tutorial. As you can see, this design that we are about to do. First, you pick 6 seed beads. When you pick it, you can see it, you put it down that way, then go to the side. You pick another seed bead. This design is called split stitches in embroidery. You keep going that way all through to the end. And remember, you are going in a straight line. So keep on going over that line till you get to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Send me a message on WhatsApp, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, anywhere. Just ask me any question. Any design you want me to show you, just ask me. I'll be right here for you. Remember to always end the bidding well. Thank you.